My name's Michael, I'm the product manager here at Silverback Ratchet Tie-Down. Today I want to talk to you about a 10337, which is our reverse action ratchet tie-down system. You can see it comes complete with a 9mm strap and the Ergo reverse action ratchet tie-down. And it's quite easily, you can see it's a long handle. Compared to my hand, it's a nice long handle. It's double sprocket. And why is it a reverse action ratchet? Why is it called an ergo? Well, it's ergonomic for your shoulder, and it's a reverse action because it's the opposite action to a standard action. So in this particular ratchet, that means when you pull up, it doesn't do anything. It's when you pull down. So as you pull down, it tensions, as you can see here. As you push up, it doesn't turn that barrel. It's only when you pull down. So it's good for your shoulders and it's ergonomic, as they say. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use this for you today. So, laying on your truck, open up your hook and keeper. That goes over your combing rail, and the keeper clips on top to keep it on. So once you've got that, you open up your ratchet, and you get this mechanism in the right spot. Then this strap, the ratchet strap, goes underneath that barrel, underneath that top rail, in through that barrel, as you can see. And you just pull that all the way through. This is a 9mm strap, so there's a bit of strap on it. You pull it all the way through. You make sure there's no twists in your strap. And then once you get it to where you want it to do, just put your thumb on there, that just holds it in place. And I'm going to demonstrate how to work it. So as I said, this is an ergo, so as I push up, it doesn't turn that barrel. But as I pull down, you can see it's turning that barrel and pulling the strap on. Now the reason this is here to help that feed on correctly. So then I can use two hands and pull down and use my weight to do so. It gets it nice and taut. Once you get to your desired tension, you just pull this handle up, pull it down, and it locks into place, just like that. That's how simple and easier to use the 10337. Thank you for watching.